Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by placing a screen GUI under Starter GUI and confirming it replicates to players. This ensures per-player auto-scaling. Next, convert any pixel-based sizes to UDIM2 scale components so they respond to resolution changes. While doing that, set anchor point appropriately so elements grow from the correct pivot. Once done, check that position uses scale units as well. This prevents off-screen placement on different aspect ratios and readies the GUI for the next scripting step. You now write a local script that runs for each player and monitors window size changes. Use user input service. Window size changed or a render step-driven debounce to recalc layout only when needed. This prevents jitter. Compute horizontal and vertical scale factors from current viewport size and multiply your base scale values by the chosen factor. Also add UI aspect ratio constraint for images or grouped frames so they keep shape. Make sure to set size and position using UDIM2 with your computed. Finish by testing extensively in Studio's device presets and custom window sizes to confirm consistent layout. If elements become too small or overlap, clamp computed scale values with math. Clamp to enforce minimum and maximum dimensions for readability. Once stable, optimize by only recalculating on actual size changes to save performance. If things go wrong, log the scale numbers and temporarily draw borders around frames to see anchor and pivot problems. This immediate visual feedback speeds up fixing alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.